Welcome to my YouTube channel, Chad Cooks. Today, we are going to make an AI-generated recipe. This will be my first time cooking it. So, let's do this! Let's mix the spices ChatGPT have suggested. Here is some curry powder, turmeric powder, cumin, coriander seeds that I pulverized, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. We will set this aside for later. Okay, now let's drain and rinse our young jackfruit in a can. Then let's chop this into bite-sized pieces. You may also use fresh young jackfruit. And here we go. I have also chopped the rest of the ingredients earlier today. Let's get cooking. Heat up about a tablespoon of oil. Now let's saute some aromatics. Let's add some onions, garlic of course. We'll let this cook for about 30 seconds or just until they're translucent. And some ginger. I have personally added the ginger to make the fish less fishy. Okay, now our green onions. Smells good in my kitchen. Now let's add our carrots. Then the celery. Okay, let's cook this for about a few more minutes until it starts to soften. I am adding the green and Napa cabbages. I have these on hand, so might as well use both. Let's not forget our chayote squash, also known as vegetable pear or mirliton. Let's add the young jackfruit that we chopped earlier. Finally, let's add the spice mixture. Coat the vegetables evenly. Now let's pour in the coconut milk. I diluted it with a cup of chicken broth for added flavor. Now we will bring this to a gentle simmer, allowing it to cook through about 10 to 15 minutes. Time to add our fish. Ooh, look at that! Let's stir this gently so the fish don't turn into mush. Let's cook this for another 5 to 7 minutes. Let's get this in there so they'll cook through. I will use patis or fish sauce instead of salt for some added umami flavor. I'll add more pepper. Let's add garnish. And there you have it, you guys. AI's creation, fish and vegetable curry. Wow, look at that. Now it's time to have some of it over rice, of course. Let's have a taste. Ta-da! Mangaon Ta!